Hello and welcome to this new course. This is Moneymaker's team, and today we will teach you how to write SEO optimized articles that rank first in search engines. This is a crash course that will teach you the practical method to write high quality articles and stop hiring people to write your own articles, and teach you how to optimize these articles to be SEO friendly and to rank first for the keyword of your choice. But first, let's see the definition of SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is a marketing discipline focused on growing visibility in organic, non-paid search engine results. SEO encompasses both the technical and creative elements required to improve rankings, drive traffic, and increase awareness in search engines. There are many aspects to SEO, from the words on your page to the way other sites link to your own or to you on the web. Sometimes SEO is simply a matter of making sure your site is structured in a way that search engines understand. SEO isn't just about building search engine friendly websites, it's about making your site better for people too, easy to the eye and understandable once a visitor lands in your page. What is Yoast SEO? This plugin is written from the ground up by Yoast team to improve your site's SEO on all needed aspects. While this Yoast SEO plugin goes the extra mile to take care of all the technical optimization, it first and foremost helps you write better content. Yoast SEO forces you to choose a focus keyword when you are writing your articles, and then makes sure you use that focus keyword everywhere. This plugin is for WordPress websites. At the first section of my course, I will teach you how to install this plugin and how to configure it correctly if you have a WordPress website. In the second section, I'll assume that you don't have a WordPress website. I'm providing you with a hosting and a WordPress website with that plugin installed inside it, so that you can use it to create your own article. Then after you finally created your article, you can copy it and paste it to your Blogger website or to your other website, whatever the platform that you are using. So I'm making this straightforward. I'm doing almost all the work for you regarding the WordPress website and the plugin. You just need to have a focus keyword and some writing experience, or some English experience, let me say, to write your article. You will find that this course is very helpful, and it's a fun thing to learn. So it will save you money instead of hiring people to write you SEO optimized article, and instead of thinking of SEO like a monster, I will break this down for you in this course. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymaker's team.